Okay, so today for Module 2, Lesson 12, today we're going to use reasoning about the product, which is the answer to a multiplication of a whole number and a decimal. So we're going to throw in some of our estimation in there today. So if we had the problem 2 and 31/100 times 22, and I'm going to use the squiggly lines because that means about. So I'm going to use estimation to figure out how about where should my answer be. So 2 and 31/100. This is going to be between 2 and 3. So I know that this is closer to 2 because this is my 31 is not. So it's going to be 2 and 22 is closer to 20 than 30. So I know that my answer should be close to 40. So this just helps us to make a reason about where should my answer be close to. It helps me to check. But now then we're actually going to do the math. So we're going to stack it up now. 2 times 31 times 22. And we're going to check. Okay, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 2 is 4. So I've done my ones place. So remember, this is our ones. Okay, now we're going to multiply by our tens. So here's the tens. 2 times 1. Oh, forgot my 0. Please don't forget your 0 for your tens. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 2 is 4. Now I have nothing else, so I'm going to add those up. We have 2, we have 8, 10 plus 1 is 5. Now remember, this was in hundredths, right? Our decimal, so I need 1, 2. I need to put my decimal in 2 places. And so if my problem is in hundredths, my answer. And so I can know that I'm close. My answer is about 40. It's a little bit bigger because, again, remember, this was an underestimate and an underestimate. So my answer should be a little bit larger than what we did at the top. Okay, let's look at another problem here. So let's try another one. Let's do 495 times 1 and 11/100. Yep, so not an equal sign there. We're going to do an about. So 495 is closer to 500. And 1 and 111 is closer to 1. So I know my answer should be somewhere around 500. Now I'm going to stack it up. Sorry there for a second. Put my decimal on the top. 495. This is in member hundredths. So I need my answer to be in hundredths. Okay, so now here we go. I'm going to do my ones place. There you go. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Now I need to do my tens place. Put my 0 to represent. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. And then I'm going to do my hundreds place. So remember, hundreds, not hundredths. So 2 zeros start in my hundreds. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Now I have 3 partial products. 3 partial products here. Add these all up now. So I'm going to get 5, and this is 14. Regroup my 1. So 19, regroup my 1. This is 14, regroup my 1, and 5. And remember, I was in hundredths, so my answer needs to be in hundredths. So I have to go 1, 2. And my answer is 549 and 45/100, which is close to my estimation. So today you're going to be using estimation to help you make sure that your answer is close to your actual answer.